How to turn on or turn off adaptive brightness on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, from the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on display. Then in here, we go down and tap on adaptive brightness. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. When we turn on adaptive brightness, the font brightness will automatically adjust based on the lighting in your environment. So if your room is too bright and if it's at nighttime, the font will automatically readjust so that the screen won't be too dark and won't hurt your eye. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now, another way to quickly turn on or turn off adaptive brightness is to pull down the quick settings panel. From here in the brightness bar, what you want to do is tap on the more button on the right hand side. And then from here, you can also turn on or turn off adaptive brightness. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the done, then tap on the home button. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.